Is that your phone?
It is the 6 a.m. alarm.
It's so early.
We planned the morning run.
I remember, but I'm tired.
Listen to that sound.
Is that the wind?
No, it is the rain.
Is it a big storm?
No, just a steady rain.
It makes me want to stay.
We need to hit our goal.
3 miles today?
Yes, for our fitness plan.
I'm closing my eyes.
No, open them slowly.
Give me a hand.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
We are finally up. What should we wear for rain?
Avoid cotton today.
Because it gets heavy?
Yes, it stays wet.
I'm grabbing my tech shirt.
Good, wear the long sleeves.
Where is my rain shell?
It's in the back corner.
The one with the hood?
Yes, that is the one.
I need my running tights.
Are they dry?
Yes, I washed them yesterday.
I can't find my cap.
Look on the top shelf.
Got it. The visor helps.
I'm lacing up my shoes.
Are those waterproof?
They are Gore-Tex.
Perfect for this weather.
Are you taking the umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
We will use it if the rain gets heavier. The air is so sharp.
Take a deep breath.
The street is glowing.
It's the wet asphalt.
The rain is very light.
It's just a mist.
Should we start now?
Let's stretch first.
My calves are tight.
Do some lunges now.
My muscles feel stiff.
Stretch your hamstrings too.
That feels much better.
Let's start jogging.
Watch the puddles.
The sidewalk is clear.
Let's do the big loop.
Past the park.
Yes, towards the bakery. How is your heart?
It is beating fast.
My breathing is heavy.
Keep a steady pace.
The air feels wet.
It's good for lungs.
Look at the grass.
It's very bright green.
I'm feeling warmer now.
The blood is moving.
No more cold shivers.
You are doing great.
Is the rain changing?
It's getting a bit heavier.
I feel bigger drops.
On your face?
Yes, and my shoulders.
Is your shell working?
Yes, water is sliding.
Are you dry inside?
Totally dry, not wet.
My cap is wet.
But the brim works.
It keeps eyes clear.
Should we speed up?
Yes, push the pace.
My legs feel strong.
We are almost there.
I love this feeling.
No stopping. Let's go.
1 more mile left.
We can do this.
I see the bakery.
We finished our goal.
3 miles is done.
You did so well.
We stayed very strong.
I feel so proud.
My body feels loose.
My mind is clear.
I am so happy.
Is it open yet?
The sign says open.
Let's eat breakfast here.
Yes, refuel our bodies. It's so warm here.
It smells like cinnamon.
I'm ordering my favorite.
The blueberry muffin?
No, the Bran muffin.
That is very healthy.
What is your choice?
A plain toasted bagel.
With regular cream cheese?
Yes, and large coffee.
I want hot tea.
It warms the soul.
I am so hungry.
This warm food is perfect.
Let's open the umbrella.
It's a big one.
We can both fit.
Hold my arm.
Walking is nice too.
The rain is peaceful.
The air is fresh.
The street is quiet.
Usually we are sleeping.
Yes, in our beds.
I love this feeling.
Me too. It is special.
My shoes are soaked.
But your heart is happy.
Yes, I feel proud.
We didn't give up.
Run again tomorrow?
Yes, same time.
Rain or shine?
Rain or shine. The shower was hot.
I feel so fresh.
Put on clean clothes.
My brain is awake.
No more sleepy fog.
I'm ready for work.
Your energy is high.
Better than before, right?
Much better.
I will work fast.
Today will be great.
Happy morning, happy life.